my channel. It is almost the 4th of July. So, me being me, of course I did a beautiful 4th of July look just for you. So if you're interested in learning how to do this 4th of July festive look, then you need to keep watching. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, girl, what are you waiting on? Please do that before you leave, and we're gonna hop right into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take some of this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. You can hear my dog eating in the back, I apologize. And I'm just gonna pack that under my eyes because I don't want this look to have fallout. Okay, I've got my powder on. So I'm just gonna take some E.L.F. Camo Concealer. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my lid. I'm just gonna spread that out with my finger. The first color that I'm gonna be taking is called Life. And it's this beautiful red color from the Morphe 25L palette. And I'm going to take that on an M441 brush. And I'm just going to be pressing that into the crease area. It is so pretty. Now, with a flat MAC synthetic brush, I'm going to take some of that E.L.F. concealer and I'm just going to cut the crease. And this one's going to be a full cut crease. I'm going to take some glitter primer and apply it where I put that concealer, just because we're putting shades down that I really want to stick. Next, I'm going to take Rise Up, which is this pretty royal blue shade, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M421 brush. And I'm just going to start packing that on the lid. I'm going to avoid the middle of my eyelid because I have something else planned. Now from Essence Cosmetics Hello New York palette, I'm going to take this white shade And I'm going to pack that onto the middle of my lid with an M421 brush from Morphe. Just like that. Now I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush, which is like a baby detail brush, and I'm going to go back into that red shade from the 25L palette, and I'm just going to really deepen that red right on the edge. Like that. Now on the same M421 brush, I'm going to take Harmony, which is like the navy blue shimmer shade, and I'm just going to deepen the outer corners. Going to wipe away that powder under my eye. I'm going to go ahead and use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner to line my top lash line on both eyes. Since I know you guys would love to know facts about my life that you didn't already know, my youngest dog decided she was going to chew on something of mine, and so she got spanked, and then she peed on my bed. Yay! Fun day in the Sydney household. Woohoo! Now, using a M217 angled liner brush, I'm going to be using the Stila Kitten Karma liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be lining the crease between the two colors. Okay, now using an M432 brush, I'm going to take, I'm going to go back in with this blue shade called Rise Up. And I'm going to start applying that to my lower lash line. I'm going to keep that on the outer portion of my lower lash line. I'm going to take Harmony, which is that deeper blue shade that we used, on that same brush. I'm going to place that over what we just did, but more towards the outer portion. Okay, now I'm going to take Life, which is the red color that we've been using, And I'm going to place that on the inner portion of my lower lash line. And then if you didn't guess already, I'm going to take that white shade that we used from the Essence palette, and I'm going to put that right in the middle on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the Essence Crazy Volume Mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to take Lilly Lashes in Miami, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. Alright. The last step that I'm going to do is take some Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm going to place some of this blinding highlight. Well, almost the last step. The final step is I'm going to use the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Blast Off and apply that to my lips. Alright everybody, and this is the final look. I seriously love how everything turned out. A part of me kind of would be okay without the red lipstick, but I'm trying to be festive. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you tried this look, let a girl know, because I want to know how it went for you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, girl, what are you doing? Why are we not a family yet? Make sure you hit that before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July!
I realize when we are together there is no more doubt.